today's run. We got the Goo Tri-Berries, got the Garmin AirPods. All right, that's 1 mile. 11 more to go. All right, guys, completed mile 2, on to mile 3. 2.5 miles in. I'm gonna go ahead and drink. I'm gonna go ahead and eat a Goo. 1 Goo gone. I'm on mile 3. Okay, mile 4. Let's get it. All right, 4 miles. All right, let's go 4 more. Oh shit. All right, mile 5. Second Goo. Mile 6. What? Mile 7. 1 more to come. All right, we're at mile 8. Let's go, baby. What up? So I've been on mile 9. Let's go. 10, baby. Going on 10. All right, y'all. This is mile 10. Okay, mile 11. All right, guys. That's 12 miles around Lady Bird Lake. Follow me on TikTok.